In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Pepperstone account to MetaTrader5, step by step. Stick around because I'll share a quick tip to make your setup even easier. Let's get started. First, go to pepperstone.com or open the Pepperstone app, then sign into your account using your email and password. Next, in the dashboard, make sure you're in the live section and not demo, so you open the correct account type. Then, click Add a Trading Account to start creating your new live account. Now, when choosing your trading platform, select MetaTrader5 and fill in the other details like leverage, account nickname, and currency. After that, create a secure password and click Submit to finalize your account setup. Make sure to note down your login details, including your login ID and server. You'll need them in MT5. Lastly, click Download MT5, install it on your device, then log in using the credentials Pepperstone provided. And that's how you connect your Pepperstone account to MetaTrader5. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple trading tutorials. See you next time!